This is a foreign use Lexus GX 460 2015 model with parking assistance sensors. And this is the review of this mighty car. You can see very clean. This is the strong engine of this car with a durable battery, accident free buy and drive.
If you need any, you can call us on 080 331 28914.
This is the lovely spacious interior of this car. You can see with enough legroom space. And here comes the passenger side over here with a DVD headrest for entertainment. With a third row seat, this car is very spacious. Buttons on the steering is a thumb start and automatic drive with a reverse camera. The AC of this car is chilling. Here comes the sunroof. This lovely car is going for 43 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Here with me is a direct 2017 Lexus RX 350, very clean. Take a look at the face with the beautiful light and the lovely alloy trim. You will love this car. And this is also the rear view. You can see Lexus boldly written with the logo RX 350 with the reverse camera. Take a look at the lovely side view. It also has a powerful V6 engine and a strong battery that will last you. This is the lovely interior of this car. It has a black leather seat interior. Take a look at the side view from here. Here also is the back seat view from the side. It has enough legroom space for your comfort with AC control and AC vent down here. It has a lovely back seat view and also a clean dashboard, reverse camera, sound system, thumb start, automatic transmission. This car, all the aesthetics is working very well with a sunroof. And this Lexus RX 350 2017 model is going for 43 million naira and it is slightly negotiable.
This is a foreign use 2016 Lexus RX 350 with parking assistance sensor. This car, you can see the face of this car is very sharp. Foreign use Lexus RX 350, this is the review. This is the clean engine of this car with durable battery over here. You have nothing to fix. This is accident free buy and drive. This is the luxury interior of this Lexus. You can see it for yourself. Enough legroom space for your passengers. Wow, this is the AC vents for them here. A clean back seat, very sweet and clean. Buttons on the steering is a thumb start and automatic drive with a reverse camera. The AC of this car is chilling with a sunroof. And this car is going for 42 million naira, which is slightly negotiable.
This is a 2014 Lexus GX 460. It comes with amazing headlamp and a beautiful side view. This is the rear view GX 460 with a reverse camera, and this is the back side view. It comes with a powerful V8 engine with a strong battery. This is the lovely milk leather seat interior, very clean, ventilated. This is the driver side, very clean. It has enough legroom space with AC controller and AC vents on the roof. It also has a third row seat. And this is the clean back seat view. Take a look at the clean dashboard, factory fitted AC, reverse camera, automatic transmission with a thumb start, and it has a sunroof. Buy this car today and thank me tomorrow. When you buy this car, you got nothing to fix, and this car is going for 41 million naira and it is slightly negotiable.
This is a 2014 Toyota 4Runner foreign use with parking assistance sensor. This is the review of this 2014 foreign use Toyota 4Runner. This is the mighty engine of this car with a durable battery over here, accident-free car. A spacious interior for the big daddies with enough legroom space. This is the back seat view with an AC vent for your passengers. You can see very spacious, just they clean like saying a brand new car. Buttons on the steering is a thumb start and automatic drive with a reverse camera. The AC of this car is chilling. This is the roof of the car, a sunroof. If you are interested in this car, do well to call Murad Autos for inquiries and negotiation. It is going for 40 million naira, slightly negotiable. I present to you the only car we get saw name, Mercedes GLE 350 2017 model, foreign use. Na formatico. This is the rear view of this car. A clean V6 engine with a durable battery, buy and drive, accident free. Wow, a sweet, lovely interior of this car. Oh my god. And this is the passenger side with enough legroom space with an AC vent over here for your passengers. This car just dey like say na brand new. They see am, they feel am ba. Buttons on the steering, is a thumb start, you can see it. With a reverse camera and automatic drive, the AC of this car is chilling. Look at the roof here, is a sunroof. 2017 GLE 350 going for 38 million naira, slightly negotiable.
Here with me is another 2017 Toyota Highlander, very clean. This is a unique car for your family ride. Take a look at the amazing side view. This is the rear view Toyota Highlander, the logo. It is limited edition all-wheel drive. This is the side view, and this is the best you can get in Nigeria. It has a 2GRFE V6 engine with a strong battery that will serve you. This is the lovely interior of this car. It has a grey leather seat interior, very clean, automatic transmission. Here also is the passenger side view of this car, very clean and comfortable. Take a look at it. It is a luxury car, enough legroom space, AC controller and AC vents on the roof. It also has a third row seat, very clean. And this is the back seat view, so clean too, with JBL speaker by the door. This is the clean dashboard, very clean and comfortable. Reverse camera, sound system, automatic transmission. It is keyless. It has JBL speaker by the door, and everything is working perfectly well with a sunroof. And this 2017 Toyota Highlander is going for 37 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. This is another clean foreign use Toyota Camry XLE fullest option 2021 model. Take a look at it now. This is a sports car, very clean. It has an amazing alloy rim, you can see for yourself. Take a look at the view from here. And this is a lovely rear view of this car. You can see Camry XLE boldly written with a reverse camera. And take a look at the lovely side view from the back. It has a 4-plug engine, very fuel economical, with a strong battery that will last you. Everything is working perfectly well. Take a look at the lovely interior of this car. It is a leather seat interior. This car is giving. It has a luxury vibe with enough legroom space for your comfort. And it has a very spacious backseat view with enough legroom space too. And the back AC vent right there. And this is the backseat view, so clean. And that's the clean dashboard, factory fitted AC, good sound system, thumb starts, control buttons on the steering. In fact, all these aesthetics are working very well, and it has a double panoramic roof. This Toyota Camry XLE 2021 model is going for 37 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. This is another foreign use Toyota Camry XSE Extra Sport Edition, and this is the 2021 model. Take a look at the lovely side view of this sports car. And this is the rear view. You can see very clean. XSE is boldly written there. And this is the sport version. It has a 4-plug fuel economical engine and a strong battery that will last you. Everything is working perfectly well. Buy and drive, nothing to fix. This is a luxury red mixed with black leather seat interior. Very clean, enough legroom space. And the seat is ventilated. This is the back seat view. Very clean. You can see it has AC vent right here. Take a look at the lovely backseat view, so clean. And that's the dashboard, very clean. Factory fitted AC, you can see automatic transmission, reverse camera, thumb starts, control buttons on the steering. This one has a sealed roof. And this car is going for 37 million naira, and it is slightly negotiable. This is a foreign use Mercedes-Benz GLE 350 Formatic, very clean. Take a look at the lovely side view, the headlamp, and the amazing alloyed rim. This is the rear view, GLE 350 boldly written, Formatic with a reverse camera. And this is the lovely side view of this car. It has a V6 engine, very strong and powerful engine with a durable battery that will last you. Everything is working perfectly well. This is the lovely interior of this car. It is black on black, very clean, ventilated seat. And this is the back seat view, so comfortable and clean, enough legroom space for your comfort with a back AC vent. Back seat view, so clean. And take a look at the dashboard, factory fitted AC, thumb start, automatic transmission with control buttons on the steering, and it is a sunroof. And this car is going for 36 million naira, and it is a bit negotiable. This is a direct 2022 Toyota Camry Sport Edition. Very, very clean. This is the best you can get in the whole of Port Harcourt, Nigeria. Very, very clean at Morad Autos. This is the rear view. You can see Sport Edition boldly written with the reverse camera. Take a look at the lovely side view. It has a 4-plug engine, fuel economical, and a strong battery that will last you. No dent, accident free, buy and drive. This is the amazing black interior of this car. It's a leather seat, very clean enough. And this is the back seat view, very clean and spacious, enough legroom space. Sport edition, clean back seat view, so comfortable. And it has a clean dashboard, factory fitted AC, reverse camera, automatic drive, thumb start with control buttons on the steering and a sunroof. And this car is going for 36 million naira and it is slightly negotiable.
My name is Mr. Boniface. You are welcome to Murad Autos, the home of American used cars. If you need any, you can call us on 080 331 28914. 080 331 28914. And our office is located at number 10 Rumola Link Road, Port Harcourt, Rivers State, Nigeria.